welcome to another episode of the Urban Homesteading Channel Wednesday edition. If this is the first time you're visiting with us, we want to extend to you a very warm welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. If today's your birthday, we want to wish you a very, very happy birthday. Ever since we moved to the homestead, we have become more and more conscious of what we use to clean things, because we are using local water. We are not in a municipal water. We have a well, and we also use a central, but not a community, but not a central. What do you call it? Waste system.
Septic.
We own it. It is a septic system. So we've become very sensitive what we put down the drains and so forth, right?
Mm-hmm.
So today we're going to attempt to use some natural and easy remedies to clean a clogged drain we have. So as you can see, it gets higher and higher, the level of the water, and then when we stop, there is not an easy and fast escape, right? What is shaping to be a miracle liquid for us is white vinegar. We have used it to remove rust, and I'm going to put the video card here if you want to see how you can use just vinegar to remove rust. And we've used it for a cleaning agent. Mm-hmm. And really, vinegar is a very versatile. Of course, it is used for your cooking, right? Mm-hmm. That's the intended purpose. And if this little experiment worked today, we've never done it before, but theoretically it should work. I was thinking the other day that vinegar is an acid, and whatever is there creating the clog is an organic matter. So the acid should dissolve it, right? Mm-hmm. Theoretically it should work. We're going to see. If it doesn't work, we'll let you know. If it works, we'll let you know, as we always do in this channel, right? The idea is we're going to create a reaction. We're going to use equal amounts of baking soda and vinegar, and that should create an exothermic reaction. It will make a little volcano kind of thing. And in any case, in many situations, those kind of drains, you can remove the top. In ours, we cannot for some reason. I will try again, but if you can remove the top, remove it. Otherwise, if it doesn't work, you might have to go in the back and remove the whole assembly, mm-hmm. which is a pita, Mm-hmm. And it's not a good pita that comes with a hero.
Right.
It's a bad pita.
Or the hummus.
No hummus, just pita. Okay. All right, so we're waiting for this to drain, mm-hmm. and we will be right back. In many of these drains, you can unscrew this top, mm-hmm. and in ours, it doesn't seem like you can, but try yours and see. I mean, it rotates, as you can see, if you look at the delta there. Yeah. It does rotate, but it doesn't seem to want to come off, right?
Yeah. And usually by now.
Right, it should be by a couple of turns, right?
Right.
Now, if we're going to try it without removing it, but if you can remove it, of course, it is better, right?
Mm-hmm. Right.
More better.
Okay.
Okay. To make the reaction better, we're going to put some baking soda and try to push it in the drain if you can. This will work infinitely better if you can remove the stopper. In our case, we had a hard time fitting both ingredients down the drain. Okay.
Enough.
And then, you put approximately the same amount, maybe, half a cup or something of vinegar. If it doesn't work, at least we have a little bit of excitement. Mm-hmm. Put a little more vinegar. It smells good. That's something. Mm-hmm. Okay, now we're going to bring our boiling water and just empty it in there. Hear the sound that it makes, but it makes a sound. And so slowly pour hot water, boiling hot, right? Mm-hmm. I don't know if we need to do it second time.
Yeah, you might have to do it more than once, but you can see there's movement there because of the bubbles coming up. But it may take more than one try.
Hey, you see little bubbles. This is so exciting. And hot water is hot.
Hot water is hot.
Okay, I think that's this.
I'm just
way,
trying to make sure it gets all the way down. You can see.
Okay. Oh, so interesting sounds. Yeah, so now we're going to wait 5 minutes. Look at that, that's so cool.
Yep.
And it smells good again.
Yeah. Well, you have to like the smell of vinegar, but yes.
Well, it smells better than the bathroom. That's what happens. I don't know if they can hear that.
Should be, and you can kind of see it bubbling down in there too.
If you can hear that, there's something happening down there. Right? So 5 minutes have passed and we're going to put some hot water down. Just put it on. Okay. Again, this I think would have worked better if we could have removed the what you call it, the thicamaji.
The stopper top. But here's the thing: is you're working with natural elements as opposed to chemical. So we can see that it's already draining faster than it was previously. You can tell that there has been movement. So this is a remedy that you probably have to do more than once if you've got any kind of a major clog.
Okay. Well, we'll do it one more time and then we'll come back with the conclusions.
This is what takes how many?
Yeah.
That's not cool. You can hear it going glug, glug, glug. Glug.
Well, friends, after 4 treatments, I guess is what we call them, we have a faster moving drain, but not a clear drain. Definite improvement, unquestionable improvement, but is it perfect yet? No, it will need probably a couple of more treatments, but we can see that the improvement is clear, undeniable, and very clear, as you can see. So I wouldn't call that myth busted, but I wouldn't call it true or false yet, you know. I think we need to try it a little longer, maybe do a couple of more treatments, see how it works, right? And maybe if we combine this with the plunging action, that will help clear. Definitely it has improved. We can hear the drain gargling. We can see the water going down faster, but it is not clear yet.
But don't plunge boiling water so that you don't burn yourself, because hot water is hot.
It doesn't come to you. It stays there. You just put pressure down there.
Not if it squirts out those drain holes.
It's fine. In any case, we think this is a reasonable alternative, especially if you use it as preventative. If you use it once a month or so to keep your drains clean. And I'm confident it's going to do clear. That it will clear our drain. It just needs a couple of more treatments. I don't know if you could hear it on the video, but there is definitely activity down there. You can hear it, right? And the drain was gargling, and we saw all kinds of interesting things. So we think we're in the right path. In any case, we're sure it's inconclusive for today. We like to have conclusive videos, but I don't want to say it doesn't work, but I don't want to say it works either, right? What are your thoughts, Elvira?
I think this is a really tough drain, and yeah, some more work is needed.
I was not satisfied with the outcome and not being able to give you an answer. So while editing, we did another treatment, and here are the results. As you can see, we have clear flow of water now, even at the highest pressure at the faucet. And this is a good way if you are on a remote area and you only have just a few basic things to clean your faucets. All right. Well, this is our short episode for today. And if you enjoyed this episode, would appreciate a thumbs up. If you didn't, hit the other button twice. Share, like, subscribe. Let us know what else you might want to watch in our video channel. From Dr. Wizard, Elpida and the Urban Homesteading channel, stay safe, friends.